What if I told you that you could earn a solid monthly income of $10,000 to $15,000 right from the comfort of your home without dealing with physical products? And the best part is, you can start from scratch using Etsy's print-on-demand service. Now, I anticipate some of you might be thinking, this sounds like someone who really knows their stuff. But in reality, Etsy print-on-demand is accessible to everyone regardless of your expertise or budget. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to kickstart your own Etsy print-on-demand venture. At the end of this video, I have a special surprise for you. I'll be setting up my own Etsy print-on-demand business live, walking you through every part of the process. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding print-on-demand. First off, what exactly is Etsy print-on-demand? It's a system where you collaborate with suppliers who offer white-label products such as blank apparel, phone cases, and various other items. You take these products and imprint your own unique designs on them to sell as your creations. If you go on Etsy and search for graphic t-shirts, you'll find numerous listings, most featuring captivating graphics or text. The beauty of print-on-demand is that you never need to handle, store, or safeguard any physical inventory. Products are manufactured only when a customer places an order, and they are then shipped directly to the customer by the print-on-demand supplier. Getting started. To begin your journey with Etsy print-on-demand, your first decision is choosing what products to sell. My advice here is to consider focusing on a specific niche. This means not selling something unrelated like cat clothing alongside shower curtains. Cohesion in your product selection is key. Either become an expert at selling one type of product or select items with some form of connection between them. Generating design ideas. Once you've settled on your product category, it's time to brainstorm design ideas. Start by seeking inspiration from various sources like Dribbble, Pinterest, and design inspiration websites. For instance, if you want inspiration for designing socks, you can head to Pinterest and search for sock inspiration or sock design. You'll find countless sock designs, and while it's crucial not to copy them directly, you can use them as inspiration for your own unique designs. Consider these cool socks as an example. Interestingly, by chance, this pin leads to an Etsy page. If you visit that Etsy page, you'll see these socks priced at $10.27 for a single pair. Digging deeper, you'll find that the seller offers a wide range of socks. Just for fun, let's do some quick math. 31,000 sales multiplied by $10.27 equals over $318,000 in sales on Etsy alone. This is likely mostly passive income thanks to Etsy print-on-demand. They only need to occasionally create new sock designs, and everything else happens automatically. Let's refocus on designing products. If you draw inspiration from these socks, you can go to a website like rawpixel.com, navigate to Elements, select PNG graphic elements, and browse through free options. Choose elements that catch your eye, and these will form the foundation of your sock design. Now, you might be wondering, how can I create a design with just a few shapes? Let me show you. Head to printify.com by following the link in the video description, create a free account, and you'll reach a page like this. Click on Start Designing Your Own Custom Product. Here, you'll find a vast catalog of customizable products, but for this example, we'll focus on socks. Click on Socks, then start designing. You'll notice 4 different sections for customization: the front left leg, the front right leg, the back left leg, and the back right leg. This gives you substantial control over the design. Under Add Design From, select My Device and upload the shapes you downloaded from RawPixel. Turn on the Create Pattern option to repeat the design on selected parts of the sock. You can adjust spacing, offset, angle, and preview your design. Now, if you decide to scrap this design and create something entirely different, it's easy. Let's say you want yellow socks with red strawberries. Go back to RawPixel, find a strawberry image, upload it to Printify, set up the pattern, change the background color to yellow, and preview the design. Voila! You have a fresh design. Maybe patterns aren't your thing and you'd rather have different images on your socks. You can head to Unsplash, search for images like palm trees or faces, download the ones you like, and upload them to Printify to create unique images. The point is, you don't need to be a professional designer to succeed in this business. Find inspiration on websites like RawPixel, Unsplash, Pexels, or Envato Elements and use free images and graphics to create your products. The possibilities are endless and you can experiment with various ideas. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Etsy integration. Now, let's talk about integrating Printify with your Etsy store. When a customer places an order on your Etsy shop, the order is automatically sent to Printify, who then manufactures the product and ships it directly to your customer. All you need to do is come up with the designs. First, you'll need an Etsy store, which is a straightforward process. Visit Etsy.com, scroll to the bottom, click Sell on Etsy, and create your shop. Assuming you already have a free Printify account, head to Printify.com, click My Store, select Manage My Stores, and click Connect. Etsy will be one of the top options. Click Connect. Grant Printify access to your Etsy shop with a success message. It's that simple. Now you can publish products directly from your Printify account, and listings will be automatically created on your Etsy shop. To demonstrate how accessible this process is, I'm going to create my own Etsy shop, add my first product using Printify, connect Printify to my Etsy store, and walk you through the entire process. This will show you that anyone can do it. So, let's get started. I'll create a new Gmail account specifically for my Etsy shop, which I'll call Ellie Label after my Sony live show. Once the email is set up, I'll go to Etsy, open a new shop, and then head to Printify to sign up for a new account using the same email address. Remember, the core idea of my print-on-demand business is to sell t-shirts featuring square images of cities. I'll search for images on Unsplash, find an iconic New York City picture, and import it to my Printify account. I'll customize the t-shirt, add the city's name, adjust the pricing based on Etsy listings for similar products, and publish it on Etsy. The same entire process took just a few minutes to complete. I'm doing this live to emphasize that you don't need to overcomplicate things. You can start taking action immediately. You can invest more time and effort into your designs later if you choose, but the key is to start. Your journey might have obstacles, self-doubt, and uncertainty, but that's all part of the process. If you want to improve your life, you have to be on the journey, facing challenges head-on. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.